Hey, Matt here with 911R Avant-Garde on Bring a Trailer. We have this 40 Ford custom convertible that's ending today. I just wanted to do like a little walk around, talk about it real quick, just kind of talk about the qualities and stuff on this car. This car's a really well sorted car. It's done the Copperstate 1000 multiple times, last in 2019 according to this badge. It won the National First Prize Award in 1980 when the car was restored. The car has been used and taken care of very well by a local collector. He's owned it since, I believe, 2013. Lots of stuff has been done on the car, and maintenance, taking care of the brakes and runnability on it. But this is a great, get in the car, fire right up, and go drive it. Classic 40 Ford convertible. We'll open up the hood. You can see the beautiful flathead Ford V8 in it. You got the single downdraft carburetor. But again, this car has been maintained and taken care of. It has an upgraded radiator for running around in the Arizona heat. So it just runs nice and cool. All the bright work and everything on this car is really nice as well. Like I said, the car was restored in the early 80s, but it's been real well taken care of. It does have minor pitting that's been touched up and stuff around the front. It's an older restoration, but does show really well. I wouldn't do a thing to it personally if it was mine. Just get it and drive it. I love the split windscreen on the car. Beautiful running boards over here. It does have some crazing in paint and spots. There's a spot over by the gas filler as well. The interior was all reupholstered in 2014-15. Get some minor chips on the steering wheel, but besides that, everything is really good. All the gauges work on the car as well. The soft top is beautiful on it. We've shown that in other pictures. The windows all work really nice and smooth. I mean, just look at that. I wish modern cars rolled as nice as that one. But body panel fit, again, chrome finish. You got the cool white wall Firestones on it. Like I said, the only other thing on this car, you've come over here, Alex, you can show there's a little bit of paint or fuel seepage that dripped down and caused some paint damage right there. But besides that, it's super clean and beautiful all the way through. Again, the doors open really nicely. They close real nicely. You got the spotlight on it. The center antenna, they're pretty ahead of the time with that antenna back then. Especially you look at the Euros and stuff. So any questions on the 40 Ford, please use the contact seller button. We're happy to get to you and answer. If you need shipping quote, we can work with that if you win the auction. And if you're also interested in 911R's consigning a car with us, happy to talk to you about that as well. Thank you very much and good luck.